What's going on, guys? We're back in the garage, and this time we're working on the Kawasaki. It's a 2014 Kawasaki Versys 650. This is Brittany's bike, so she's going to be helping me with this install. We're going to be doing an electrical outlet, a 12-volt outlet for the Versys. We're going to be doing it a really unobtrusive way. It's going to be hidden underneath the fairing, and you're just going to reach down and plug in anything you want into the 12-volt outlet. You're not going to be able to see it from the top of the bike or from the sort of cockpit of the motorcycle. So I've done a bunch of research on this, and I've not seen anybody do it in this particular way. So let's go over the pieces we got to make this happen really quickly. So we had to order 3 basic pieces. You need a regulator? Resistor? What is this thing called? Relay. You need a relay. So we ordered the Kawasaki relay. They're not that expensive from the factory. The factory relays are not that bad. So we have a Kawasaki relay in here with a bracket. And then the 12-volt outlet from Kawasaki is something like $85. So we went with the 12-volt outlet from Bike Master to try and see if this works. And if it doesn't work, we're only out like 10 or 12 bucks. And then the last thing we got was a little USB 12-volt universal. It has 2 USB outlets in the top. And it has an LED that lights up when there's power running to it. So we got a regulator, a 12-volt outlet, and a USB adapter. And we're gonna put this thing on the motorcycle, hopefully with no cutting and soldering and splicing of wires here. Coming from the bike, they have black with a yellow stripe and then brown, like they have a brown banded portion. And then this one, this big thick bad boy, has 2 holes for 2 of these sort of bullet style connectors, and it's white with a blue stripe and still a brown band. That brown might just be like a dot that they put, I don't know. So I connected the black. I connected one of the blacks to the black on the outlet, and then I took the red and I brought it down to the
double color.
To the one with the dual holes.
And does it matter which one you put it in?
No, as long as the white and the red are connected and the black are connected.
I'm very excited. And this
I warn you, those are very tight USB plugs down there.
goes into this. Okay, and then turn it on.
And you got messages from people.
Ignore that. Yes, this is ridiculous. We need to find a solution for this.
that's gonna be it for this one, guys. We have more work to do on the motorcycle, a different video we're gonna be shooting. I don't want to put all the fairings back on just to take them back off in a different video. So we're gonna be doing a different video. I hate to do the thing that service manuals do, which is installation is the reverse of removal, but that's the thing we're gonna be doing. So fairings will go back on in the other video we're shooting, which is a radiator guard for the front radiator. So anyway, thanks for watching as always, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.
Okay, so final look. Fairings installed on the bike. The outlet is under here. Actually, to be more correct, it's right down here. And we're gonna go see what access looks like from the top. Come in from down here, you can see the relay switch. Sorry for all the noise and confusion, but and then the ram mount is in the way, but you can reach your hand down here and just tug. You can see there now you've got the two USB ports lit up, and everything's tucked away underneath. No big deal. No drilling holes, no issues with the electrical, and
the radiator.
no paying for KTM, no paying for $80 overpriced Kawasaki outlets.
So this is tightened.
Yeah, nice and snug. Like, it has a lot of big threads.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, you got it.
I'm pretty good at this.
I'm basically a mechanic.
I don't know if you know this.
I basically should get like $100 an hour.
Now I are not mechanical, and you still make me do these mechanical things. And here you are looking at a picture.
You take something apart, and the second you take it apart, you have no idea how it went back together.
Nope, not a fucking clue. I put a thing on a thing.